Hello and welcome to AImpower Motivation and Stories. As we say goodbye to the current year and welcome the coming new year, we are excited to share with you some powerful wisdom from Buddha's guide. This ancient wisdom is timeless and has the potential to bring about positive change in our lives. Have you ever wondered what it takes to find true happiness and fulfillment? Well, Buddha's guide offers valuable insights and teachings that can help us on our journey towards inner peace and harmony. By understanding and applying these teachings, we can cultivate a sense of mindfulness and live a more meaningful life. One of the key teachings of Buddha is the concept of impermanence. This teaching reminds us that everything in life is temporary and constantly changing. By embracing this reality, we can learn to let go of attachments and expectations, which often lead to suffering and dissatisfaction. Instead, we can learn to appreciate the present moment and find joy in the simple pleasures of life. Another important teaching is the practice of compassion. Buddha teaches use to extend love, kindness, and understanding to all living beings, including ourselves. By practicing compassion, we cultivate a sense of connectedness with others and develop a greater sense of empathy. This not only brings us closer to others, but also brings us joy and fulfillment in our own lives. Buddha's guide also emphasizes the importance of self-reflection and self-awareness. By taking time to reflect on our thoughts, actions, and emotions, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. This self-awareness allows us to make better choices and live in alignment with our values and intentions. In conclusion, the coming new year is a wonderful opportunity for us to delve into the wisdom of Buddha's guide. Through teachings on impermanence, compassion, and self-reflection, we can embark on a transformative journey towards a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Let us embrace this new year with open hearts and minds, ready to learn and grow. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and may the wisdom of Buddha's guide bring you peace, happiness, and enlightenment in the coming year.